Welcome! Today I'll show you how to customize your quick launch into a Samsung Galaxy M04. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and choose here Advanced Features option. Now choose Side Key option here, and here we got our quick launch option. So for customizing here we can first of all activate or turn off this option by tapping on the switcher like this. And here we got two options, quick launch camera or open up. If we wanna open up and wanna as another app, not phone, so tap here on the settings icon or change your application, maybe Gmail for example. And let's try, double press to our power key here, and how you can see Gmail is open. So let's try again, change quick launch camera, and again tap here, double press to power key, and how you can see camera is open too. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.